So we're going to complete this question, and also we're going to learn a new skill. We're going to draw a table. Draw a table in this question, okay? Draw a table. And every time when you deal with this kind of question, you need to draw this table, okay? So now we have the initial concentration of phosgene, okay? Phosgene is COCl2. Why? Because we have the volume and also the number of moles. And we have the concentration of Cl2, right? So we can find out all the information we need. How can we do it? Let's copy the equation first. First step, you copy the equation, okay? Remember, it is a reversible reaction, okay? And then there are three rows. They are initial, change, and at EQM. Okay, initial would be the initial concentration, and at EQM will be the equilibrium concentration. Okay, so so what is the change? The change is actually the difference between the initial and the at equilibrium. Okay, so let's put down the initial concentration of phosgene, 1/1. That is 1. Okay, these two would be 0. Why are they 0? Because phosgene decomposes to form these two. So originally there should not be any Cl2 and carbon monoxide. Okay, so the concentration of Cl2 at equilibrium is 0.028. So the change would be positive 0.028. Now remember to put down the positive sign. Okay, put down the positive sign. Then we should also know that because 1 mole of COCl2 decomposed to form 1 mole of CO and 1 mole of Cl2. So the mole ratio of them is 1 to 1. So this one should also be plus 0.028 and 0.028. So what is this? It is actually negative 0.028. Why? Because 1 mole of COCl2 decomposes to form 1 mole of Cl2 and also 1 mole of CO. So now let's find out the concentration of COCl2, okay? How can we find it out? We just use 1 minus 0.028, which is 0.972, okay? So we can answer the question. So our answer is concentration of COCl2 and concentration of CO. What are they? This is 0.972 m. This is 0.028 m. Okay? However, when you are doing your calculation, it is suggested that in this part, you put down 1 minus 0.028 and equal to 0.972 so that you can show your steps of calculation. Okay, now we are moving on to part B. Okay, part B, we need to find Kc. So what is Kc? Let's put down the first step. We put down the equilibrium expression. Okay, CO, and then over COCl2. Still remember that the product should be put at the numerator. Okay, which is equal to 0.028 times 0.028 divided by 0.972. So what is the answer? Find it here. 0.028 times 0.028 divided by 0.972, which is equal to 8.07 times 10 to the power negative 4. Now remember the last step. The second step is that you substitute the value to find out the Kc, the magnitude of Kc, which means the numerical value. And the third step, we need to calculate the unit. Okay, what is the unit? The unit would be mole per dm cube. Okay, remember to calculate the unit. This will be the third step. Okay, so the first step, equilibrium expression. Second step, you substitute the value to find out the numerical answer. And the third step, you calculate the unit. Okay, so that's it for this question.